Welcome to Remous Print and our second video showing you one of the key developments here in 2020. Obviously we've talked to you about the building and what we've done, but the next part of that process and the next part of the jigsaw puzzle, if you like, was this new press. And this is absolutely cutting edge, and if you went to buy order the best press you could in litho, in B2, in the country, in the world in fact, this is it. So this has come all the way from Japan. It's the first 5-colouring coat in HUV in the country, and it allows us special finishes which are really going to help you in your business and promoting your business and your marketing collateral. So if you haven't seen a litho press before, you'll see we've got different units, and each one of those units puts down a different colour. So the sheets come in at the end, it then has black, cyan, magenta and yellow printed on top of each other within 0.01 of a millimetre. Then we have our 5th unit, which we can use for Pantone colours, specials, metallics, that sort of thing. But the real kicker is, which we're going to show you today, is our coater. And our coater does something very, very special. Lots of conventional presses have coaters, but not HUV. And HUV stands for Hybrid UV Drying System, which means that we can get really bright glosses on things in line. We don't use any spray powder, which is bad for the environment and bad for our team here. So this is a very clean machine. And the combination of the 5th unit and the coater mean we can create decorative print finishes in line. So not only is it better for the environment because we don't use laminates, it's also instant. It comes off the machine ready to work. So we can print something, it's bone dry, ready to go. We can put it in the guillotine, put it in the stitcher and deliver your job. Now, not that I want to do everything last minute, but it means we can help you if you're really on a tight deadline. So in a minute, we'll just show you what we can do with our gloss laminate, which is effectively a full coat, and then what we call highlight, which is a combination of the 5th unit and the coater, and it really is something a bit special. So what we're going to show you now is how we take the plain paper and turn it into a printed sheet at the end, but more importantly, the gloss varnish that we can put in line, which is unique to our business and unique to this press. This is only the 4th one in the country, I believe, that's got this process. We're the only ones that have developed it so far. This is what we call our highlight process. But this is initially just going to have a gloss varnish, and don't forget this uses no plastics, it's not laminated, and it is recyclable. So we'll wait for Lee to pull a sheet out and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Great, thank you. So if you look at this sheet, it looks like it's been gloss laminated. You've got a full flood varnish on it. And don't forget, this is instantly dry, so it's not got any time to dry. It's instantly dry off the machine, and you can see the beautiful varnish we get off of this, and it's 100% recyclable, and that's what makes the difference. That you can look at corporate responsibility and know that you're doing the right thing for the environment within your company. Next up, watch this. So this is the bit I really want to show you, and it's something unique, something that only us can offer at the moment, because this is the first machine that's available to do this in the UK. So we're going to switch on the drip off effect, which we call highlight, and this is like a spot gloss UV, except it doesn't need laminate, it doesn't need time, it doesn't need extra costs. It's literally done in line on the press right here, right now, and it comes off instantly dry. Let's see what it looks like. So if you can catch it in the light, we'll probably get a better picture for you shortly. We've got various different finishes on this sample sheet, and you can see the reticulation where we've got spot varnish in some places. We've got different patterns, and again, that's off the machine. That's bone dry, that's got no plastics, that's ready to go and be finished in the finishing department. So hopefully you've enjoyed just a little insight into how our press works. I'm not going to give you all the secrets, but I wanted to show you how it works, what it can produce. And if you're interested in finding out more and how you can put that and apply that into your marketing collateral or your packaging, it works on any substrate, I'd love to hear from you, so give us a call.